Hi everyone. So hopefully by now everyone has completed the first week's assignment. If you haven't, there's always time to do that. You can email me with questions at any time or text me at any time as well. Okay, so for this week, we're going to start looking at listings online. We're going to start by looking at car listings from dealerships. So first you're going to decide how old you want to imagine you are for this activity and how much are you willing to pay for a car. Last semester's kids were looking at cars around $2,000, $3,000, but you can go lower or higher depending on where you are. All right, there's some screenshots about what you'll be doing. Otherwise, I'm going to actually show you in this video how I want you to find cars. So you're going to click on autotrader.com. You'll click on the advanced search. You'll put in your zip code. You'll put in used or certified. The difference is certified cars have warranties and they're passed through inspections at the dealership, so they're slightly more expensive. You can put in the price range that you have decided on and any other criteria that you would want in a car. Otherwise, down below where it says sellers, you'll click dealers only and then hit the search button. For this activity, you're going to search for listings and look at listings that have a Carfax report. So you'll see the Show Me the Carfax. You'll click on this one if you believe this is a car that you'd actually want to drive. And there is a chart on your assignment that you'll have to fill out that will require certain information, like who is the dealer, how much is it, miles per gallon, mileage. You're going to click on the Carfax report. This is basically a history of the car, how many people have owned it, whether an accident was reported, and you'll read through this and jot down information that stands out to you. You'll also be looking at the Kelley Blue Book value, which is the fair price for a car with this many miles, and you'll note that information as well. And this is what the chart looks like. Oops, sorry about that. This is what the chart looks like. This is the information you'll be looking for. Once you're done with that, you're going to be looking at car listings from private parties, and you'll do this by looking at Craigslist. So you'll search here, make sure it's Rochester, Minnesota. You'll click on cars and trucks, and then you can put in the minimum and maximum price on the left side. Might look different on your phone, and then update search. And then you can click on a car that you believe is one that you would drive. You'll look through the pictures, read their description, and then you're going to fill out a chart as well. One thing I forgot to mention is you will be clicking on reviews for these cars for both the dealership chart and this chart. So you just go in, find the car that you're looking for, and hit Get Reviews. I'm just doing a random car to show you guys. And then you'll scroll down, all the way down. Yep, I think I chose a car that doesn't have reviews, so I'm going to try this again for an older car. And if you scroll all the way down, that's when you'll see reviews. So you'll kind of read through the reviews and just jot down the trends that you're seeing. Finally, you're going to answer a discussion board question comparing how it felt to look at listings on through dealerships or through private parties. And what information do you want to remember to look for the next time you buy a car? Great, thank you. Again, if you're confused by any part of this assignment, please email or text. Thank you.